Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started, don't forget to check out our new Miss Planet roses at our Amazon store. The link is right there in the description, also with a link for a free ebook with over a dozen projects using our very own Miss Planet flowers. We want to send out a big thank you to all of you who have already checked them out and left us some wonderful reviews. We are so glad that you like them as much as we do. Well, this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Sean, and she writes us. First, let me start by saying I absolutely appreciate the time and effort you put into projects to help us here out on the YouTube University. I love the YouTube University. I have learned a lot by watching and rewatching your videos. I have been doing events for many family and friends, and I was recently contacted by somebody who was a bridesmaid in a family member's wedding who wants me to do a bridal bouquet out of real flowers. I've never done this before. So I knew if anybody could help me, it could be you. So please help me figure out how to create this real flower bridal bouquet. Well, Sean, I am so excited to not only show you how you can make this bouquet, but how you can make it for under $50 with grocery store flowers. You know, in this pandemic time, we don't have a lot of options as far as going to florists. So you have to make do with what you have. And this week, I'm going to show you how to create this stunningly beautiful fresh flower bridal bouquet for under $20 with grocery store flowers. Are y'all ready? Me too. Let's get started. So a little background information. The average fresh flower bridal bouquet can run you starting $150. And that's just your basic one. Not very big, pretty much on the smaller side. So a bouquet this size with these type of flowers could easily run you in the $250 to $300 mark. So let's get started with what we're going to be doing. So our first step is to put our fresh flower bouquet handle holder in about 2 to 3 cups of water so that green sponge can soak all of the water up and keep your flower fresh all day long. Then we're going to strip all of the leaves and cut down the flowers that we're going to be using. Cut down the stem about between 6 and 8 inches if you are able to. Most of them you will be able to. Some of them may be a little shorter, but you'll still be able to use them. Here's a crucial tip. I always separate my flowers by category and I put them in a vase with that flower fresher spring. It looks like aspirin, basically aspirin for flowers, and it keeps them fresh. That way they don't wilt while they're waiting to be used. If you see a few brown spots on the outside petal of your roses, it is perfectly okay for you to carefully peel those off. And then it'll leave you with a much fresher looking rose. So our bouquet handle has soaked for about 30 to 40 minutes, and you will see that it's completely dark green all the way through. That's what you want. You don't want any of the light green to be showing. That tells you it is time to add your fresh flowers. And you will also notice that it does not drip. All the water is contained within the handle. Now, the first thing we're going to do is attach our hydrangeas. I always use hydrangeas because it's an inexpensive way to get a very full bouquet. When you're at the grocery store, it's beneficial for you to look for a rose bouquet that has all the greenery already included. It's basically a 3-for-1. So that's exactly what I found. I found a rose bouquet that already had greenery included, so I didn't have to pay extra for it. But they also sell the separate greenery packets too. So if you're doing it that way, you probably want to have at least 2 to 3 packages of separate greenery. This project requires you to trust yourself. I would always do a preliminary bouquet to see if you like it. It's really simple. Just buy 2 of your bouquet handles and play with it a little bit. And then when it's done, just make some bouquets to go around your house. That's usually what I do. That way you'll feel more comfortable with it and you won't feel a time constraint. Well, Sean, I hope you see how easy it is and how inexpensive it can be to create your own bridal bouquet. And guess what? If you want to place things different places, pull them out and put them somewhere else. It really is that simple, guys. I don't have these grand plans. I kind of just feel my way through when it comes to fresh flowers, or in that matter, artificial flowers. And I know that if I can do it, you can absolutely do it. So just get those flowers and get it started. Well, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little icon bell in the corner and you'll get a special note the moment the videos are live. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's very simple. Head down to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com, where you can also find our digital downloadable DIY planning guides. We have several planning guides as well as some other resources that can help you create the vision or a party, a wedding, just vision of your dream. So head on over there and check it out. We have so many people who have been helped by these digital downloadable planning guides. You don't have to wait for them to be delivered. They come right. They are right available for you as soon as you download them. Well, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure hanging out with you today. A little tongue-tied, I'm sorry. And we just want to thank you for taking this time and this opportunity when you have so many options on YouTube to spend it with us. Remember, if we can help you with the project, don't hesitate to ask. We just ask that you do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. You can head down in the description and click on the project request link, or you can head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where we also have so many additional information and helpful tips for you, as well as free resources. So if you want to go over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, you can click right there in the corner on that icon and it'll take you right there. You can put in your request or just hang out with us some more. We want to thank you so much. If there's something that we can help you with or you have a question, be sure to put it in the comment section below. And with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care, guys. See you soon. God bless.